Tell me when you're ready and I'll just...
I'm videotaping now.
Huh?
Video.
Okay.
As we're leaving the property, this little trail right here will take you to the house that's for sale. You have a gate coming in, and these lots right here to the left of the property
Right
are
of the
going
property.
coming in to the right. They will be for sale.
They're a total of about 1 acre, 4 lots. Each one's 8 to 10 grand. The only reason you really want it would be to make sure you never had any neighbors. So this is all part of the property too, up to this house.
This house has been sold.
And that is the trail that
That's
leads.
the trail that goes back to the main house.
Now this one is for sale by the people that own the house we just looked at, and it's available in 90 days for $319,000, roughly 1,800 square foot on 1 acre adjoining property to the one we just looked at. So this connects directly. The big burn pile behind this is the one that was on the property that we were just at. So your property is going to end roughly at this fence line right here where this horse is.